Hey traders, welcome to Trade This Market video update for June 13th, 2024 for GameStop. You're looking at a monthly, weekly, daily, and a 4-hour chart of GameStop. So we talked about this particular candle yesterday, the 4-hour candle, and how it went below 50-period moving average and the below signal line. And I did not like this. And I was thinking that GameStop is likely to go back to the downside first before it's making its move to the upside. And it looks like this is what the play is going to be. So if you notice right here, from this high to this high, actually it failed to make a higher high. But then interestingly, it failed to make a lower low right here. So anytime when you see something like this, market makers are actually grabbing liquidity at this point, and they're going to come back down one more time, take everybody out, whoever's long, scare the living daylights out of people, come back all the way down, maybe push it a little bit below 50 at a 200 period moving average, and then make its move to the upside. So by then, what I'm hoping for is that this power line right here should be underneath the price action. Uh, the candle should turn green, and then this is actually going to turn green. So we still have about 7 or 8 days left in this options expiration, and anything could happen. But I think what they're planning to do is that they're going to run this one more time to the downside, get everybody out, and then make its move to the upside. Um, and I say that because the monthly chart is still up, the weekly chart is still up. The only thing that's going sideways right now is a daily chart and 4-hour chart. But that will all take care of it in itself. If we have one huge candle, then everything else is going to take care of itself. So we'll see what happens in coming days and weeks here. Our eyes are peeled on this trade, of course, and everybody's paying attention to this. But you have to be careful. There are playing a lot of different games in this market, and you have to be careful because they're going to take a lot of people out of whoever's long right now. They're going to scare a lot of people off, and then they're going to run this market back to the upside. So I hope this helps. Stay safe, and I will see you at the next update. Take care.